Okay, as promised in my hip stretch exercise video, I talked about the world's greatest stretch. I'm going to talk you through that right now. The world's greatest stretch. Is it the world's greatest stretch? Not for me to decide. It's for people who are far more knowledgeable than that. It's just what it's called, and it's just what I'm going to take you through now. Now, this is a fantastic exercise to help release this T-spine here, sort of this part of your back, because it's a rotational exercise. And whenever we have a rotational exercise, what we're doing is we're kind of releasing all the nooks and crannies within that part of our back. And this is great for office workers, people who sit all day, anyone who just feels really sore all the time in their upper back, anything like that. So the setup is nice and straightforward. 2 hands on the floor, bring this foot to here like so. This front foot, let me come back so you can see that positioning. And then I always line up this knee to this shoulder, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the inside hand and we're going to poke it through here, just like so, you see that? And then what I want you to do is I want you to imagine you're drawing an arrow, like you're Robin Hood, drawing an arrow from the floor all the way up to the sky. And that's going to help you keep nice and straight. Then as you do this, I want you to keep your eyes on your fingertips at the top. You'll see a lot of people, they'll swing their arm back here and stuff, and they can't see it. You want to draw almost an exact straight line between the, when your fingers are, your shoulders, almost your groin on the floor. That wants to be in a straight line. And if you get that right, you're going to love this stretch. And then you're going to come back down, rotate a little bit more, and then come up again, like so. And now what you'll notice with this knee is I'm kicking it out slightly. And that's so I get the hip involved as well in that stretch. You can do it square if you want to, if you don't need to get that hip stretch in, but it's really awesome if you do. And let's just show you the other side. It's exactly the same. Knee to shoulder, lean into each other there, and then you're going to take the inside hand, kick the knee out, and then draw an arrow, draw a bow, sorry, like you've got a bow and arrow, like your Robin Hood. And you're going to come through here, like so, and just float that hand up. That's a lovely, 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 lovely feeling. Now, on my back knee, I am doing this with the knee down. You can also do it elevated if you have the core stability, you feel comfortable to do that, like so, and that works as well. But that is not entirely necessary for the exercise to be effective. That's the world's greatest stretch. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you love that stretch. Let me know if you think it's the world's greatest, and I'll speak to you real soon. Peace, love, and protein. High fives and positive vibes. Ciao!